What's going on, man? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things that every girl wants you to do, whether or not she even realizes it. And I promise you, bro, these are all little things that are going to turn her on and get her super attracted to you. So, if you're ready, let's get started.
It feels right, yeah. I'm only saying that it feels right.
Alright, number 1 is that you need to be prepared to walk. If you're just another average dude who's so desperate for female attention that you're willing to hook up with any girl who's even like slightly attractive, girls are gonna pick up on this. And you know what they're gonna do, bro? They're gonna start to toy with you because they know that you're not gonna do anything about it. They're gonna start to flake on dates with you. They're gonna start to take hours or days to reply to your text messages because they know you're gonna be there waiting whenever they want a little bit of attention from you. So here's my challenge to you. Next time you're with a girl and she starts to toy with you, you have to be willing right then and there to drop it and leave her behind. For example, let's say you're on a date with a girl and she's not even making a little bit of an effort to add to the conversation. Go ahead and end the date right there. Tell her, it was nice to meet you, but I'm gonna go home now. Seriously, bro, give it a try. I can tell you from personal experience that when you do this, there's a very good chance she's instantly gonna warm up to you and cut the BS. And if she doesn't, well, who cares? You just gained some self-respect for yourself anyway. Alright, let's talk about number 2, and that is that every girl wants you to have clear skin. Usually when we think of being attractive and improving our looks, we think about going to the gym and working out, getting a cool haircut, improving our style, but all too often we forget the importance of taking care of our skin. If you have acne or oily skin or dry skin or your skin's starting to age and wrinkle a little bit, this is something you need to deal with right away. Because you have to realize that these things are gonna cause girls to not wanna get close to you. It's gonna gross them out a little bit. And that's gonna make it very hard for you to go on dates with girls and have sex with girls and all that. Now, the good news is that I got something here that's gonna help you out. I actually partnered with Tiege Hanley for today's video. If you don't know, Tiege Hanley is the best skincare system for men. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it actually works. So each box of Tiege Hanley is gonna come with, first of all, it's gonna come with a little card here that shows you exactly when and how much of each product to use so you don't mess anything up. But beyond that, it also comes with a combination of different things. For example, you get an AM moisturizer to use in the morning that also has a little sun protection. And of course, no skincare system would be complete without an awesome daily face wash. And if you opt to get one of their higher tier packages, you can also get this awesome eye cream to fight against those wrinkles and prevent aging. Guys, the point here is that you're getting everything you need to make sure your skin is on point all of the time so you can always feel 100% confident in how you're looking. And if you're worried this is gonna be super expensive, don't be, bro. Because they cut out the middleman and sell directly to you, it's actually extremely affordable. And because I partnered with them today, you can actually click that first link in the description to get the best possible price on your first box of Tiege Hanley. All right, guys, number 3 is that she wants a man who knows what he wants. Girls are attracted to guys who know what they want in life. And this is not just about trying to improve yourself and having goals. This is about actively knowing what you want and actively taking action towards what you want. And an easy way to check and see if you've been doing this or not is the hell yes or no test. And this is something that was created by Mark Manson. He's a great author. And it basically goes like this. If there's any area of your life you don't feel hell yes excited about, then it's a no. So for example, maybe you're dating a girl or maybe you're pursuing a girl who you kinda like, but if I asked you, how do you feel about her? If the first thing that comes to your mind is not, hell yes, I'm happy with her, I want to be with her, then you need to let her go. If you're in a relationship, you need to break up with her. If it's a girl who you're just pursuing just because you don't have any other girls to pursue, you need to cut the shit, man. You're just half-assing it. And the same thing goes for the rest of your life. If you're working a job right now to, financially support yourself, but you don't really love it, well, I'm not saying to quit the job yet, but you need to be actively working towards developing the skills you need to get a job that you can feel hell yes about. I hope that makes sense. Workout complete, bro. Let's talk about number 4, which is intense vulnerability. So let me start off by saying that a lot of people have the wrong definition about what vulnerability actually is. A lot of people think of it as a weakness where you basically go around sharing your feelings with everyone when it's uncalled for. But the reality is that vulnerability basically means courage. It basically means opening yourself up to the possibility of rejection or attack from other people. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most guys are deathly afraid of being vulnerable. They're afraid of telling a girl, I think you're cute, do you want to hang out sometime? Because they're afraid the girl is going to reject them. When they're on a date with a girl, they're afraid of asking her to come back to their place and trying to hook up with her because they're afraid that it's going to offend the girl. All of this shit is weakness, bro. It's a lack of courage. You need to embrace vulnerability, and you need to be able to be open with people about how you're actually feeling and what you actually want. It's not going to be easy, but if you can train yourself to do this consistently, your life's going to be so much easier because you no longer have to try and think of special ways to convince people to do something for you. You're just going to fucking ask them, and that is going to drive girls crazy. So we got a little Chick-fil-A to end the day. We got a club sandwich, some fries, and
chicken burger.
so I've never tried their buffalo sauce. It's good. Pretty sure all buffalo sauce is good. So, Beast Nation, I have to come clean with you. I did not plan a final point for this video. So, Julia, what is one thing guys do that just turns you on like crazy?
Ooh, I think when guys are playful, when they give you shit.
So, you're saying give girls shit?
Yeah, something like that. So when guys are too serious or too polite, it gets really old. So you want to have like some teasing back and forth, and that really turns a girl on.
All right, Julia, I hear what you're saying, but can you give us an example?
All right, so I'm really competitive, and I played sports in college. So when a guy like kind of gives me shit and is like, oh, I bet you weren't that good, or oh, I don't think you could beat me in lacrosse, when they've never played it. So that's something like that gets me turned on and like, whew, like gets me going.
One quick thing I'd like to add to that is you don't want to like insult girls and say something mean that could offend her, because that's just gonna kill the vibe completely.
Yeah.
Teasing is meant to be playful. Like, you want her to know you're not seriously insulting her.
Yeah, there's a difference between insulting and giving her shit.
So for example, you never want to tease girls about their body or their family or other things like that. I hope that makes sense. Alright guys, those were 5 things that girls want you to do, whether they know it or not. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, what are you doing, man? Click subscribe and turn notifications on, because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. I will talk to you in the next video, and if I don't talk to you in the next video, I am gonna be mad, bro. Stay Beastly!